What I wish I knew about transferring USDT from SafePal to Binance before I started. Let's simplify the process together. First things first, log into your Binance account. Open the Binance app or website and enter your credentials to log in. Next, we need to get your Binance USDT deposit address. In Binance, go to Wallet, then Fiat and Spot. Find USDT in the list and click on Deposit. Choose the correct network, ERC20, TRC20 or BEP20. Make sure it's the same network you're using on SafePal. Copy the deposit address generated for you. Now, open your SafePal wallet. Launch the SafePal app or unlock your hardware wallet with your PIN or password. It's time to send your USDT from SafePal. In your SafePal wallet, go to Send. Paste the Binance USDT deposit address you copied earlier. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Select the same network type you used on Binance, ERC20, TRC20 or BEP20. Confirm the transaction details. Double-check everything and then confirm and sign the transaction. Now wait for the transfer to complete. The time it takes will depend on the network you chose. Once the transfer is successful, check your Binance account. Your USDT should appear in your wallet under Fiat and Spot. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your USDT from SafePal to Binance. Remember, always ensure your device is secure and use the correct network to avoid any loss of funds. Happy trading, everyone.